So Jasmy's literally about to hit $17.85. And again, this is not my words, but the words of all the data that we've been getting and the rumors that a lockup of about 70% of the total Jasmy supply will only leave about 14 billion tokens out of the total 50 billion that is in circulation. And that would also result in a massive market cap pump for Jasmy at about 250 billion, and with only 14 billion tokens in circulation due to the lockup, you're talking about a price of $17 per Jasmy. On the low end, we're talking $5 per Jasmy. And there is a lot of data that confirms this, including a massive handle cup that is showcasing in a formulation on the charts, again also showing that it's about to fly in the next couple of days to around 62 cents. There's a lot of data that we're going to analyze, and again, there's a lot of reports, as you guys can see here, another roadmap to a $17 bullish spike that we're going to go over in today's video. But of course, before we jump into this, we have to announce our massive partnership with MetalCrypto.com and the fact that we're giving away free Jasmy to their partners, or to anybody that actually ends up owning a Jasmy t-shirt or a Jasmy hat. Guys, this is a golden opportunity. If you're looking to get yourself Jasmy apparel, including a really nice Jasmy cap or really nice Jasmy shirt, we're going to be using code FREE10 to get yourself $10 off. And if you look at the price, it's literally less than $18 USD, meaning when you use FREE10 promo code, you're going to get $10 off, and it's going to be literally only $8 in addition to you going ahead and entering a massive Jasmy coin giveaway. This is a golden opportunity for Jasmy holders to show that you are a part of the Jasmy community. I personally actually ended up buying the baseball cap and the Jasmy t-shirt because I think it looks fantastic, and because I'm very, very bullish on Jasmy, and the best way to show so is to get myself some Jasmy apparel. And of course, guys, I definitely recommend you guys get it. It is available on MetalCrypto.com, which again, I will link in the description, and of course, I will link the promo code as well. And they have a bunch of other things and other currency apparels like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, Solana, and so much more, and just a bunch of other really cool stuff. So I definitely recommend you guys check them out. And with that being said, let's get into the massive today Jasmy video. We'll begin with the daily market update for Jasmy, which currently prices Jasmy down about 9.56%, quite surprisingly, to be honest. But again, when you look at the rest of the crypto market, you will see that the entire crypto market is in the red, and this is something that I realized today earlier when I looked at the entire crypto bubble. It is literally in the red, and of course, it's great to see that Jasmy, while other currencies are down about 30 to 40%, Jasmy is only down about 9.56%, totaling to a price of 0.02495 per Jasmy. The market capitalization is also down about 9.39% at $1.2 billion, with the volume in the last 24 hours up about 60% at 102 million. The volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours is about 8.18%, with the total circulating supply of 49.3 billion and a total max supply of 50 billion. Here's the chart right in front of you so that you guys can decide, but we are seeing that cup and handle formation, which is a great thing to see, and it could mean a lot of very bullish things. In fact, we've tended to see a trend where every single time after a bullish momentum happens and the coin goes sideways, there's a retracement, it tends to always end up spiking upwards. Kind of when you look at it in the last year, you can see that exact same thing happen where you get a pump, it does a retracement, goes sideways, does a minor retracement, then pumps up to its highs. And so this is something that we tend to see and believe is going to happen for Jasmy as well. And it wouldn't be shocking if it did end up doing so. And again, when we talk about the price of $17 per Jasmy, it's because of all the partnerships and the charts. In fact, Connecticut Under, the founder of Jasmy, actually announced that they're joining a committee of over 100 partners, and coincidentally, the key people that are partnering with them are actually a part of this committee. For example, the Innovative 100 Committee, which literally seats Jasmy, is also a part of a bunch of other companies like Sony, Toray, Coco, Next, and Mitsubishi, a bunch of other ones as well. And we're also beginning to see that all of these companies are actually using Jasmy. So it seems to be that if 3 or 4 of these companies have already started using Jasmy, it's likely that we're going to see a majority of the other companies shift over and also continue to use Jasmy, specifically if they plan to expand in Japan and expand into using the technology that they require, which is IoT technology and cybersecurity technology and a bunch of other blockchain related technologies. In fact, with the recent news that Sony is set to launch a Bitcoin and a generalized crypto exchange, it makes sense that they're going to be using Jasmy, because Jasmy is their venture company of them, meaning they literally own Jasmy, support Jasmy in every possible way, and are expecting a profit. And so when you talk about the cybersecurity element and the protection side of things for this crypto exchange, they're going to use Jasmy, meaning that the supply of Jasmy is going to continue to decrease and the demand for it is going to continue to increase. And we're not even incorporating here the fact that they're doing so in the midst of a massive lockup set to scale that is about to lock up a majority, and we're talking about 70% of Jasmy's total supply, or about, when you look at it, leaving only 14 billion Jasmy coins left in circulation. And this is only the start here. There's a lot of other things that are happening behind the table that are also prompting the rise of the actual Jasmy coin. Here's another one. As we talk about adoption for Jasmy, Jasmy is continuing to get listed on more and more exchanges. In fact, it's been labeled the Japanese Bitcoin from how widely used and scaled it's going to be, specifically with the Japanese smart city that is actually going to utilize the Jasmy coin. In fact, DOEX is officially announced that they're launching and listing the Jasmy USDT pair for futures trading on DOEX.com, and of course we're seeing that continue to expand. Jasmy is a project of a Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider of Jasmy Corporation, and so this is something that again is critical if you look at Jasmy and its real potential in the future. Again, as we talk about this, there is more realistic price predictions that people are giving, which is a 10,000% increase in the price of Jasmy, or a $2.90 plus target that is set to come again very short times in this upcoming bull run, even highlighting that they're on target about hitting $4.40 plus per Jasmy. The idea here is that we are seeing Jasmy expand. And of course, with the restriction of its supply and the lockups and everything that's going on, the price of Jasmy in and of itself will need to rise as a result to reflect the massive demand and the decrease in supply. And as a result, you will begin to see the price of Jasmy just continually skyrocket in value, and the price of Jasmy, of course, continue to go up higher and higher and higher. And of course, the more holders you have, the more adoption, the more it gets, priced into the price per Jasmy. In fact, we have seen real life institutions now accept Jasmy as a form of payment for flights, for hotels, for clothes, for a bunch of different things. Like even MetalCrypto.com, I think they do accept crypto now, which is impressive, and they probably do accept Jasmy as a form of payment, but we'll have to look into it. But the idea here is it's now getting widely scale adopted. People now, are know Jasmy. Like even to see Metal Crypto mention that they have Jasmy apparel back in the day was something that is impossible. But now we're seeing more and more institutions jump on, try and utilize Jasmy, accept Jasmy as a form of payment, and even try and put it out there that they've accepted Jasmy. And of course, guys, I will actually end up ending off the video here. So make sure you guys do check out MetalCrypto.com. Get yourself your baseball cap, your Jasmy t-shirt, which I think is a great thing to have. They're always updating it. And they also have a bunch of other crypto apparel. As you guys can see here, you can filter by coin. You can go ahead and filter by product. They have a lot of really, really cool things. And of course, don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a follow on all my social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Rumble. Everything will be linked in the description. Guys, we want to hit 5,000 subscribers, so if we can do that, that'd be greatly appreciated. And of course, we're about to hit 150,000 subscribers on my Instagram, so drop a follow on my Instagram as well. Drop a follow on my Twitter. We're about 33,000 subscribers, so it'd be appreciated if we get to 35,000 or 40,000 followers on here. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end the video here. I'll see you next time, and peace.